How quickly does Wegovy work? Wegovy, semaglutide, is an FDA-approved injectable medication for chronic weight management in adults with obesity or overweight individuals with weight-related health conditions. It works by mimicking the GLP-1 hormone, which regulates appetite and food intake. The medication's effectiveness varies based on factors such as dosage, adherence, lifestyle habits, and individual metabolic differences. 1. Initial timeline, when results begin. Most patients start to notice initial weight loss within 4 to 6 weeks after beginning Wegovy, although the amount of weight lost varies. Early results often include reduced appetite and fewer cravings, particularly for calorie-dense foods. Second, first 4 weeks, early changes. In the first month, patients typically experience 2% to 4% of their initial body weight loss. This early phase focuses on dosage titration, starting at a low dose of 0.25 milligrams per week to minimize side effects like nausea. Third, 3-month milestone. Significant progress. By the 3-month mark, studies show that many patients lose around 5% to 10% of their body weight. This period reflects the medication's full impact, particularly after reaching higher maintenance doses like 1.7 milligrams or 2.4 milligrams weekly. 4. 6-month results. Substantial weight reduction. After 6 months, individuals may experience 10% to 15% body weight loss, assuming consistent medication use and lifestyle modifications such as healthy eating and increased physical activity. 5. 1-year outcomes. Long-term success. Clinical trials indicate that after 1 year, patients can achieve up to 15% to 20% weight loss from their starting weight. Wegovy's long-term success is most pronounced in those who adhere to the prescribed treatment plan and incorporate sustainable lifestyle changes. 6. Factors influencing the speed of results. Several factors can impact how quickly Wegovy works: adherence to the dosage schedule, dietary habits and calorie intake, physical activity levels, metabolic rate, and individual biology. 7. Dosage titration schedule and weight loss progression. Wegovy is introduced gradually to help the body adjust. Week 1 to 4, 0.25 milligrams per week. Week 5 to 8, 0.5 milligrams per week. Weeks 9 to 12, 1 milligram per week. Week 13 to 16, 1.7 milligrams per week. Week 17 and beyond, 2.4 milligrams per week. Maintenance dose. Weight loss often accelerates after reaching the 1 milligram dosage and continues at a steady rate during maintenance. 8. Lifestyle modifications enhance Wegovy's effectiveness. While Wegovy works by curbing appetite and slowing gastric emptying, combining it with a balanced calorie-controlled diet. Regular physical activity. 150 minutes of moderate exercise per week. Adequate hydration and sleep, which significantly enhances weight loss outcomes. Wegovy typically shows noticeable results within the first 4 to 6 weeks, with significant weight loss by 3 to 6 months and maximum benefits around 1 year. Long-term success requires adherence to the treatment plan along with healthy lifestyle changes.